Praise be to God. Daily One Missionary Biography. Today's missionary, William Miller. Date of birth 15-1782. Date of death 2012-1849. City, Pittsfield. Country, America. Place of vision, America. Miller was an American Baptist preacher and is considered to be the inspiration for the Advent doctrine. He couldn't complete any formal education owing to his family's financial problem. Although born a Christian, his poverty led him to the path of deism. When war broke out between England and America in 1812, he enrolled himself in the army and was soon promoted to be a captain. Although the odds were not in his favor, he miraculously survived the war, which made him ponder on the hand of God in saving his life. After being discharged from the army, Miller took up farming as a profession. But the questions on God and the afterlife continued to haunt him. On one Sunday of 1816, Miller was moved by a sermon on the crucifixion of Christ. Experiencing the presence of God, Miller surrendered his heart to God. From that day onwards, he voraciously studied the Word and started declaring his faith to his other day's friends. He connected himself with the same church he despised and started assisting the pastor. In 1831, he pledged to himself that if God opens a door for him to do ministry, he would transparently serve him. His sermons were centered mainly on the second coming of the Lord. He encouraged his people to prepare for the same. His interpretation of the Lord's second coming drew large crowds and instilled divine fear in the churches. He eagerly waited to witness the second coming of the Lord during his lifetime. Miller was an enthusiastic soldier for Christ. He untiringly traveled to many parts of America, delivering sermons and establishing hundreds of churches. He inspired the founding of Advent Church, which has several branches around the world, still preparing people for the Lord's second coming. Beloved, how prepared are you for the second coming of the Lord? Lord, grant me the grace to prepare myself and others for your second coming. Amen. God bless you.